Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Beoplay H7 headphones and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your iOS device. So at first we had to scroll down to our control panel, then hold the finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to go into Bluetooth settings. Now we have to turn on our headphones on and go into pairing mode by holding our finger on Bluetooth switch. Now they are in pairing mode. As you can clearly see, they are here in devices. We have to click on it and now they are connected. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.